Okay, y'all, so today we are working on this chicken coop again. I'm in Home Depot. Look back here. Look at all the Christmas stuff, y'all. I am here to get some spray paint, and I also need to get some play sand for Brigham. I got him a sandbox for his birthday. So I need to get some play sand and pick out what color I want to paint the tin on this coop. Here we go, right here. I kind of want to paint it like a dark brown, kind of like the dark brown color in my other sheds. Not sure about this one. Let's see. I don't want a speckledy one. I don't want a shiny one either. Espresso. Ouch. Dark brown. That kind of looks like what I want. Definitely don't want anything glossy like that. No. So I think I'll probably just set one of these out just so I can look. Kind of like this color for some Christmas makeovers, but that's not what we're here for today. All right, I think it's gonna be these. I think I need 3 of them. Better get 4 just for good measure. Now on to find some play sand and get this project underway. Okay, so I bought some of this Clorox cleaner with bleach, and I want to spray this on that tin and let it just kind of sit for a little bit and then come back in with the pressure washer, because I just think it'll get it a lot cleaner and the paint will stick to it better. So I'm gonna go spray this on so it can sit first. Hey girls and boy, how's everybody doing? This little tree is getting on my nerves. It's in my way. I'm about to cut it. I hope this don't get on my clothes. Yeah, it's got lots of mildew and stuff on it too, so this will help get that off. I mean, I know the pressure washer will, but this will make it easier for me. Give you a little better up close look. See all the gunk? That'll pressure wash off easier if it's had like a cleaner or something on it for a little while. I don't really want to do this on the inside of the coop because I just don't know. I don't really want that on the inside of the coop with baby chicks going in there, but plus the other side of the tin is not that bad. So I'm going to continue to do this around the other 2 sides. I'm going to get a little before pick because I almost forgot to do that. So before this, the shade is kind of getting in the way, so let me see. I don't know if y'all are going to be able to get it good. It's nasty, trust me. Okay, now this side right here is filthy. It is the worst, all the way down like that. So, just look. Ugh. So, yep, there's you were good before. It's been about an hour and a half. I went in and got me something to eat and let this Clorox or this bleach sit on here, and now I'm going to pressure wash it. See how good and clean I can get it. Let's go. Wow, like 100% better. Now we're gonna work on the back side and the other side as well. So I think y'all get the point. You've seen me pressure wash one side. That's what I'm gonna do on the back and the other side. Okay, everybody, it is the next morning and I come out here and I've started spray painting a little bit. Again, I got this color here, Espresso by Rust-Oleum. So I just started painting this side here. You can see the difference. And then I started spraying back here as well, which is a big difference. Trying to see on this back side if this is just not dry in some spots, or did I miss some spots? I don't know. And then I haven't done anything on this side. I had to literally, our pressure washer stopped working last night when I got to this side. It just broke. My husband and I worked on it till almost dark. So right before it got dark, I come out here and hand washed this side, because the paint is not going to stick to it if it's not clean. So I got this side clean just with good old rag, soap, and water. And I also cleaned that strip up there. I want to spray paint that green strip this same brown. So that's what I'm working on this morning, y'all. It is early. It's not even 8 o'clock yet, and I'm out here spray painting. Kind of windy out here, so I apologize for that. But here it is. Not perfect, but definitely looks better to me. Painted up there, I painted the door, and I painted, here's one side, painted the back side, and I painted this side. I also painted up there at the top some of the boards that were green, just to kind of make it look a little better. Really wasn't going to worry about the door, but it was kind of just standing out like a sore thumb, so I decided to go ahead and paint the door. Again, it's not perfect. I have overspray on some of the stuff, but it's a chicken coop. Now let me show y'all. I'm not completely finished with this coop yet, but I did want to show y'all that I got a roll of this vinyl. It's already pre-cut. However, I need to cut probably about 3 inches off of it so that I can lay this. Y'all actually gave me this idea. So many of y'all told me when I was doing my declutter that I should put some linoleum in the bottom of my kitchen cabinets. And that is so smart. So the next time I really do a deep clean in there, that's what I'm going to do. So I got to thinking, you know what? Instead of putting a tarp down, I'm going to go see if I can buy some cheap, inexpensive, like linoleum or vinyl, whatever you call this, to lay down here. And that way it'll be easy to wash off as well, like with a water hose, kind of rake everything out and wash it off with a water hose. But let me show y'all what came in the mail. So we just have them inside this coop right now in this tote, just because they're so tiny. And until I can get this flooring down in the next few days, they're just in here and they're happy about it. They're little, so they don't really need a whole lot of space just yet. But look how cute they are, y'all. So what I got was what I call Dominickers and Rhode Island Reds. I think some people call these barred rocks, but I just know them as Dominicker chickens. And I'll show y'all some of my bigger ones here in just a minute, what they'll look like when they get big. Anyway, yeah, there's one in there sleeping. I hope she's just sleeping. Let me check. Yeah, she's just sleeping. And then this one, are you just sleeping? Yeah. We had one came kind of sickly and passed away, which happens sometimes when they come through the mail like that. And it was really tiny, so I believe just being in this box, they kind of got trampled on. But I need to get their water refreshed. So it's been a couple of mornings since I, cleaned everything and spray painted. And there's no smell of paint or anything out here. So they did fine overnight. Oh, hi there. So yeah, not 100% finished in here, but definitely getting there. This is what I have to say about projects. Like, just do what you can in a day. And if you spend just a little bit of time each day doing something, then it will eventually get done. So that's just the only way I'm able to do it sometimes, is a little bit each day, and then eventually I'll get it all finished. So really the only things I have left that I want to do in here is lay this flooring and maybe put a couple little flower boxes out front. So I hope that they love their new little home. I love them so much. I love my chickens, y'all. So I hope this video gives you just some inspiration to just do what you can in a day. Every little bit counts. I hope it motivates you to do just that. I'm gonna let y'all have one last little look at these beautiful little girls here. They're all females. That's what I ordered. And then I'm gonna end the video just by showing y'all some footage of our small storage shed being moved. Y'all heard me talk about that. So we did get that moved from one side of our yard to the other, just so that when my husband runs electricity to our big shed, it'll be easier to just run it over to that little building as well. So I'll insert that footage just as soon as I show y'all some of the bigger chickens I was talking about. So I'm gonna let these little girls take a nap, and we do have a heat lamp on them because our mornings here have been a little cool lately, which I am loving. And we just kind of keep them double protected here with the screen on top should a cat or something accidentally get in here. So I'm sure I'll be having a video showing me putting this down and then some wood chips and kind of letting the chicks run around in here. But let me go show y'all my bigger chickens. So we just kind of keep them double protected here, in here, and then they're in that box. So trying to keep predators, because we are their coops are kind of back here with some open fields and woods, and raccoons are the worst with getting our chickens and killing them, y'all. The worst. I'll try to kind of show y'all through the fence here. So you can see, let me see if I can fit my hand through here. These right here, these are Rhode Island Reds, and they are some very good egg layers. And then this one right here is the only Dominicker, is what I call it. Some people call it barred rock, I think, is what you might see online. That's the only one of those that we have left, and they are also very good egg layers. We had a raccoon. So this door right here accidentally got left open a couple of different nights, and a raccoon come in here and just wrecked shop. We try to be so careful about making sure that our coop doors and everything are shut up at night, and sometimes we just forget. About once a year, I find myself having to reorder and get new chicks just to kind of make sure that if something starts happening to this flock, I have them already getting big enough to start laying eggs and all the things. We've had chickens for about 13 years, and this is just the cycle that we do. Like, chickens just don't live that long. So there's our little rooster over there. He's the man of the bunch, trying to keep everybody in line. But yeah, so these are our adult chickens right now, and this is what the babies will end up looking like. And these were ordered from the same place that I got those other ones. And so this is what they will end up looking like. They'll end up looking like that and that one over there. So now I will insert the footage of our shed being moved because it was kind of interesting to watch, and I thought maybe y'all would enjoy watching that as well. Here's the shed all in place, leveled, blocked, all the things. We are so excited to have this moved over here and in place so that my husband can run electricity to both of these buildings. And this is where it was sitting. It looks so open now. I love it. Now if I could just figure out what to do with all this sand, maybe get some gravel. I cannot get grass to grow here. We'll figure something else out. But anyway, thank y'all for hanging out with me doing all of these little home projects. We hope y'all have a wonderful evening. We love y'all, and I'll see you really soon with a brand new video.